Hello, I'm Andrew Wilson, an osteopath and ergonomist. I work closely with Buro Seating to achieve optimum chair design for your well-being. It's worthwhile getting to know your chair and getting to learn how to use the adjustments so you can learn to use the excellent ergonomic features of the Konfurb Sense.
To set the seat height, locate the right-hand lever. To raise the seat, lift the lever while standing and release it at the desired position. To lower the seat, lift the lever while seated and release it at the desired height. To adjust the seat depth, locate the pull-out latch under the seat on the right side just above the rotatory dial. Pulling on the latch allows you to increase or decrease the depth of the seat. This can be done while seated, but it is easier to do when the weight is off the seat, using the right hand to move the seat while the left hand releases the latch. Aim to sit with your hips a little higher than your knees with a forward sloping thigh while making sure there are no pressure points. The Konfurb Sense chair has a synchronized seat and back tilt mechanism, which allows you to continually move through a range of postures, or it can be locked in the desired seating position. The mechanism can be released for free-floating movement by rotating the dial on the left side. Rotate backwards to unlock it and rotate forward to lock it at the desired position. We recommend having the free-floating synchro function, allowing you the opportunity to stretch your muscles and your back while maintaining optimum back support. Further forward tilt can be gained while using the synchro action by unlocking the tilt limiter. This can be done by using the lever on the left-hand side. Raise the lever to unlock the tilt limiter and gain a further forward tilt on the seat. To press the lever to limit the forward tilt. We recommend disengaging the tilt limiter while in working postures. Try disengaging the tilt limiter and using the increased seat depth to optimize the configuration between the seat and the backrest. The tension of the mechanism can be adjusted by turning the tension knob on the right side of the seat. Turn clockwise to increase the tension, or turn anti-clockwise to reduce the tension so it matches your body weight and allows regular movement while still providing support. The Sense chair has an adjustable lumbar support. If you reach behind the chair, inside the rear wings of the backrest, you can feel a lever on either side. This lever can be moved up and down to adjust the height and the prominence of the lumbar support. To raise or lower the chair arm, push on the button located under the front of the armrest while raising or lowering the arm to the desired height. To adjust the arm width, locate the arm knobs positioned under the seat. Loosen the arm knob and slide the arm in or out. Lock the arms at the desired width by firmly tightening the arm knobs.
If you have any further questions about your Buro chair, please go to buroseating.com for further information.